first I'm going to show you on this test kit is going to be testing for cyanuric acid. We're finally going to use this small side of the comparator. If you look at it, there's a black dot on the very bottom. So this is a turbidity test. So we're going to be using this bottle right here that has a little spigot on the top. We're going to open it, and if you see, there's two lines on here. We're going to collect 18 inches down and then drop the line to this bottom line on the bottle that has a 7 on it. So here we go. I'm going to drop it down to that 7 line, eye level, and there we are. Now you're going to take your cyanuric acid reagent, number R13, and you're going to add it at eye level so you get to that second line that has a 14 on this bottle. You can put the cyanuric acid reagent away, put the cap back on this bottle, and you're going to cap and mix for 30 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now you take this, open the spigot on the top. You're going to take your small sided comparator with the black dot and you look down and add this as you are looking down. And you are going to add it slowly until the black dot disappears. Once the black dot disappears, meaning you can't see it at all, then you stop adding this reagent, and then you would read the inside of the comparator. So if you looked in here now, the black dot has disappeared and I can't see it at this point. Now you read the inside of the comparator right here, the bottom line, that's 40 and that's 30. So it's just above 40. So probably about 35 or so parts per million of cyanuric acid. The National Swimming Pool Foundation recommends that your cyanuric acid be between 30 and 50 parts per million. The Department of Health in Florida requires on a swimming pool that a cyanuric acid level does not reach 100 or greater. Otherwise, they mark your report as an unsatisfactory. If you have a spa, you cannot have 40 or greater on your inspection, or you're going to have an unsatisfactory result on your spa inspection at that point.